Delimitation of constituencies, notification of election, notification of nomination, filing of nomination, verification of nomination papers, polling, announcement of results. Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering election processes in India. The Election Commission operates under the authority of Constitution per Article 324. The Commission was established in 1950 when it had a Chief Election Commissioner appointed. Membership increased on the 16th of October 1989. Holds the office for 6 years and retires at 65 years, whichever is earlier. Parliament can increase. The election commissioners can be impeached with special majority by the Parliament. Administers elections to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, state legislative councils, and the offices of the President and Vice President of the country. Allotment of symbols, allotment of seats, preparation of electoral roll, revision of electoral roll, code of conduct, recognition for political parties, ensures free and fair elections. Special provisions for scheduled caste and tribes. Article 366(24). Scheduled castes means such cases, races or tribes or parts of or groups within such castes. Races or tribes as are deemed under Article 341 to be scheduled castes for the purposes of this Constitution. Article 366(25). Scheduled tribes means such tribes or tribal communities or parts of or groups within such tribes or tribal communities as are deemed under Article 342 to be scheduled tribes for the purposes of this Constitution. Art. 40. Provides reservation in 1-3 seats in panchayats to SC Street. Part. 46. Enjoins the states to promote with care the educational and economic interests of the weaker sections, especially SC and STs. Part. 164. Appoint special minister for tribal welfare in the states of MP, Bihar, and Orissa. Part. 275. Allows special grant in aids to states for tribal welfare. Part. 330,332. Allows reservation of seats for SC/ST in the Parliament as well as in state legislatures. Part. 335. Allows relaxation in qualifying marks for admission in educational institutes or promotions for SCs/STs. Part. 338,338A. Establishes a National Commission of SCs and STs. Part. 339. Allow the central Gov. to direct states to implement and execute plans for the betterment of SC/STs. Part. 340. Allows the President to appoint a commission to investigate the condition of socially and economically classes and table the report in the Parliament. Exclusions. Children of officials in high office as per the Constitution. Children of civil servants in high positions. Children of armed force officers of high rank. Children of professionals and those engaged in trade and industry. Children of property owners. Children of people with annual income exceeding 800,000 rupees regarded as the creamy layer. Institutions of excellence, research institutions, institutions of national and strategic importance do not have reservations for higher education. Amendment procedures. Article 368 of the Constitution deals with amendment procedures. 3 types of amendment procedures. 1. Amendment by simple majority. 2. Amendment by special majority. 3. Amendment by special majority and ratification by states. 10th Amendment 1956. Reorganization of states on linguistic lines and introduction of union territories. Part 7 was repealed. 9th Amendment 1960 amended First Schedule. 10th Amendment 1961 Incorporation of Dadra, Nagar and Haveli as a union territory 12th Amendment 1961 Incorporation of Goa, Daman and Diu as a union territory 42nd Amendment 1976, 45th Amendment 1978, 74th Amendment 1992, 76th Amendment 1994, 69% reservation for backward classes in Tamil Nadu same was included under 9th Schedule, 86th Amendment 2002, 91st Amendment 2003 restricted the strength of Council of Ministers to 15% of the total strength of lower house.